sadly, with this hyperconnection, everything's at your fingertips, many people have become, they feel more isolated, no? And they feel unseen to the point that nag-increase po ang anxiety, depression, suicide rates. Totoo po ito, especially in young people. Ito, example na lang na very clear. Meron akong friend, so mother of several children, no? Actually, grandmother na siya. When she calls her children daw for dinner, sabi niya, she's complaining, of course. Bakit ganito? I need to PM them. Send them a message. Everybody. Nasa isang house po ito, ha. Ipi-PM niya, parang baba na kayo lahat because dinner is ready. Everybody is in their own rooms doing their own thing. Ang sabi ng auntie ko dyan, after kumain, kanya-kanyang kuweba na. Parang everybody's in their own world. And the kids now, or the young people, they have two worlds pa. The real world and the virtual world. Imagine that. And sometimes they even spend more time in the virtual world where maybe the other generations now can't relate more. So parang talagang there's a gap which creates that isolation. So parang the call really now is when people talk to us, no, sana we put our gadgets down, we really look at them in the eye, and we call them or talk to them, no, yung ganun po. Because, yun, these things, sa media, especially social media, curated naman talaga yan eh, di ba? I mean, real talk, it's curated. I mean, very seldom do we see people really posting yung random or very, so, it creates unnecessary stress, anxiety, and yun nga, eventually feelings of isolation and depression. Sa children or sa young people, it sets unrealistic expectations. So we really have to tell them sometimes, kahapon po I just gave a talk about digital parenting, and I told the parents, at some point you have to take charge and really guide the family on what beliefs we should have. Kasi not everything that is given or what you see or obtain online is true. Diba? You choose what to believe. Yun pa rin. Diba? So that it will not really progress into depression or isolation.